Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's content. As always, just a quick disclaimer for you guys that anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $866.2 billion. We're up 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 37%. Looking across the board, seeing mild green across the board, but nothing too exciting right now because the price of Bitcoin is still in the very shaky end of the spectrum. So, we shouldn't be getting too excited right now as far as the price of Bitcoin is concerned, and overall reversal of the markets right now. That should not be something we should be getting too excited about right now. But today, guys, I want to focus more towards Chiliz. So let's waste no more time and get right into that. Looking at the price of Chiliz right now, you guys can see it is currently trading at 23.3 cents, up 1.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also up 0.4 in Bitcoin and 1.2% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Chiliz current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at that top 37 spot with a market cap of $1.24 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at 600 million. If we scroll down and look at what has been historically happening with the price of Chiliz over the past few weeks, you guys can see in the last 7 days alone, so in the last 7 days, in the last 1 week, it's up a staggering 50.7%. Massive gains are being made with Chiliz, and it's only getting more and more exciting because of the fact that FIFA World Cup is just 2 days and 20 hours away. And me personally, I'm a huge sports fan, and especially soccer, and I cannot wait to see this World Cup start. And let me know what teams you guys are rooting for if you are watching the World Cup. So that's something I do want to know from my viewers. So leave it in the comments down below. But now, let's get right into the price and see what exactly is happening with the price and where could we be going in the immediate short term as we approach the FIFA World Cup. As you guys can see, the price of Chiliz is at that 23.2 cents mark, and right now, as of recording this video for you guys can see we are sitting at this level of resistance, which is at the 23.2 cents mark. This again is the daily time frame for you guys. I always bring up the daily time frame for my viewers to really compare what has been happening with the price over the past few months and where has the price been leading to and where it's sitting at right now. And you guys can see the overall price historic pattern since the last year's high. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, just to give you guys a perspective, if you were picking up some Chiliz around the lows of this year at that 8.2 cents mark, you are already up 176% since then. So that is definitely something to keep in mind. But now if we go zoom into the one on the daily time frame, but like a little bit zoomed in so you get a better picture as to what exactly is going on, you guys can see Chiliz has done something very bullish, and I mentioned this in my last video that this is going to happen, and exactly that's happening right now. Obviously, we saw Chiliz sitting at 30 cents just on November 7th, but unfortunately we saw the price of Bitcoin have a massive crash, which again we were anticipating. If you're a regular viewer on my channel, we saw the price of Chiliz fall all the way down to 14.57 cents, so almost 15 cents. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that was a drop of about 50%. And if you had some buy orders placed around here, guys, you guys managed to lock in some massive positions at a good price, in my personal opinion, because you guys can see if you picked some up around that time, you are already up about 60.47%. So that goes to show that was a massive spot to be picking some up, and also shows the strength that Chiliz has right now for itself because of the overall World Cup. And this should be a learning lesson for everyone. If you're new to the markets, this should be a learning lesson, because this shows we were having a massive upwards trend for Chiliz, but as soon as BTC had a massive collapse within its price, you can see Chiliz reacted. No matter how bullish it was, whatever momentum it had on its side, it reacted, and you guys can see the downfall happen. But right now, we have seen a massive upwards trend happen, and that shows the strength that the overall project has right now, and we're sitting above the level of resistance, and that makes me extremely excited. And I do believe as we go into the World Cup, we are going to see this take shape and start heading back towards the upside, and possibly back to this level of resistance, which is at that 36 cents, which we have not seen since all the way on December of last year. So this really goes to show why this level is so important, why this zone is so important, and why the next few days could be very exciting for the price of Chiliz. And now you may be saying, what does the World Cup have to do with this? Though they are announcing a lot of new things, a lot of new surprises, and that is going to have an impact on the overall project itself. As you guys can see, they came out and tweeted this: get ready with us for the World Cup Championship. The first 500 who register and buy and sell for a minimum of $50 on Chiliz will receive a free ARG and Portugal fan token. Register yourself and now start supporting Argentina and Portugal. And I believe they're going to have these for other teams as well, not just Portugal and Argentina. And I believe this is going to continue as we start the World Cup, and it's only going to have a massive effect on the Chiliz overall price. And that's why there's a lot of hype coming in. A lot of people are saying, we are going to see the overall sell the news part. So whenever there's specific news that is coming out, whenever that lands, we tend to see the price react to that. People tend to take profits. But I do believe that this time around it could be different, because this is the World Cup and they could continue making these new partnerships, and maybe they could announce something at the World Cup that we don't know. So a lot of anticipation is happening, and a lot of people are also speculating at the fact that we could possibly be seeing massive news drop out on the World Cup date, which is 2 days away. So a lot of exciting things are coming ahead, and I do believe a lot of people are excited. But like I said, as far as the price is concerned, the next major target for Chiliz would be around this level of resistance at that 36 cents mark, because once we break out of there, guys, then things could start heating up, and the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level is something we would be discussing once again. But again, let's keep an eye on BTC right now. BTC is still on the shaky end of the spectrum, very dangerous zone. Obviously, we need to be in the 78.6 to be basically in the safe-ish, if that is a thing, zone, but that's clearly not the case right now. And obviously, for me to even get excited about the price of BTC, we need to be above 22k mark, and that's far away from where we're currently at. But that is it for today's update. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts down below, and let me know what team you are rooting for in the comment section. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.